because you're so small.
She could get you.
Look how small she is. Are you sure? Is that your little sister?
Is that your little sister? Come on.
Okay, don't freak out.
Oh. There's a boat. Oh, hi, lady.
Hi, lady. Hi, Pan. Hi, Pan. Oh. Pandy. Pandy, come here. Woo! You're so quick. You're so quick. Hi. Oh, little terror. Hi, boo-boo. Where's she going?
It's a little windy. Oh, honey, it's on the roof. It's so funny because in video she just looks so tiny. Like, look at lady. Lady, be careful. Come on, Pan.
Get her, Pan. What's she doing? What's she doing?
Look, we can't even barely see lady.
But yeah, she's like the color of the leaf.
What are they doing? I know. Fisherman.
Lady.
Pan, look at these from.
Oh, easy, baby. Gotta be careful, she's a... It's just funny because you can barely see you. Baby shrimp.
Come on, Pan.
She's pretty quick though.
Lady.
Oh, Pandy.
She's like such a selective man too.